Hi everyone, this is Arman with YouTube user Arman's Elevator Tour. And today's Kwanzaa. What a good way to celebrate is a way to light up candles. So anyways, before we get started, I'm very sorry I didn't upload videos today. Well, it's because I was busy, and so anyways, if you notice this background right here looking so different, it's because I'm not home, and for privacy reasons, I won't say where I live at, just to protect my privacy. Yeah, and I'm very sorry, I'm in the gym right now and I can't film outside. I'm very sorry about that because there's people there, it's illegal to film, so I'm just very sorry about that. So, just so you know that I'm not gonna upload videos for a few days, but anyways, I've got a couple of fun stuff that will be this year. So, just so you know that, fireworks will be here on Friday, which that's coming up in, let me see. Let me think. Today's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Which that's coming up in 6 days, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, that's gonna be a lot of fun. So anyways, hope you all enjoyed the video I created. Stay tuned for I'll film this week. So that being said, thank you all for watching, and that'll be it. Okay, I have one more announcement to tell you. So, I will try to upload elevators tomorrow, but I don't know because I don't know if I'm busy tomorrow, because if I am, I won't. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Wash your hands all the time. Wear face masks if it's required. And that'll be it. Goodbye.